I'm Jennifer Angel. This is my horoscope overview for you, Sagittarius, for the week of October the 5th. Okay, so there's a lot happening this week, and there's a lot of activity around your sign which is influencing you quite intensely. So first of all, we do have Saturn now in your sign, okay, so for a 2-year stay. So this is going to help you just get your goals, your dreams, your aspirations down and get serious about making them happen. There are a couple of aspects with Saturn planetary interactions this week. So you want to be, just don't take anything as set, signed, or delivered this week. Right at the start of the week particularly, there is some disturbance and things, but particularly with friends and money, you want to be careful of this week. And Venus is going to move into your career zone, which is like bubbling hot with activity. She's going to join Mars there, so Mars and Venus together are going to have quite an interaction this month and through to the start of next month. So it's possible that you can meet somebody that's connected, someone romantically that's connected with your work as well, and form a bond that's going to be long term. But certainly with these two together, you've got the possibility of connecting with people, and also the passionate Mars there to just let you know that you do have a strong connection. Okay, so this can be for business or romantically. And there's a very positive trine at the end of the week between Jupiter and Pluto. Now, of course, Jupiter, anything that happens with Jupiter being your ruling planet has a great influence on you, and these two together indicate that something fabulous can happen with work over this time. That's going to be a very, very good financial outcome for you. Okay, so we like that. Family situation, there's more to come there. Be careful of secrets. If you think that something's not quite right, then guess what? Probably isn't, okay, and it's most likely to be around business. So Mercury is out, and Mercury is coming out of retrograde this week, so there's still quite a lot of disturbance and some confusion. So just see what happens day by day, okay? Love and luck to you. I'm Jennifer Angel. Thanks for watching.